so I'm hanging out here with Ashley, and Ashley, you are with the Barks of Love Animal Rescue.
That's right. Barks of Love Animal Rescue is a nonprofit animal rescue based out of Orange County, California. We rescue dogs off death row from shelters when they're strays, or we take them under surrenders. We get them fixed, vaccinated, vetted. It's all the care that they need. They're all in foster homes throughout Orange County, and we find out what their needs are, what they like, if they're good with kids, if they're good with cats, if they're good with their dogs, and then we try to find them forever homes.
So cool. That is such a great thing. Now, we're going to talk about who's the little dog you've got with you right now.
This is Mulan right now. She was rescued with her mom and her brother and a sister when they were 2 or 3 days old from Kern County in Bakersfield. And now she's about 12 weeks old and she's available for adoption. And so is her mom, Bandit, who's about 2 years old.
Wow, that is awesome. And so you've got a lot of dogs that you brought out here with you today at the event. We're at the 2010 Surf City Surf Dog. And if somebody's out there and they want to help out, like maybe donate money or they want to adopt a dog, how do they reach you?
You can visit our website at www.barksoflove.org. We always have tons of volunteer opportunities. We have foster home opportunities where we provide you with all the supplies. All you have to do is open your home. You can come help and hang out at our adoption events. You can help transport. You can help do fundraisers. Whatever you're looking for, we have something that you can help with.
That's awesome. Barksoflove.org. And Ashley, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
A lot of people up by the exhibitor's tent.
These little dogs are looking for a home.
We still have to find
You can go out there and adopt a pet. Adopt it at barksoflove.org.
So the dog surfing finals.
At today's event, you told me that you were able to adopt how many dogs?
We adopted 2 dogs today, and we got a lot of interest in some of our other dogs.
That is awesome. Okay, high five right here on the side of the camera.
Woo!
Great job.